and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix LinkedIn not loading. Firstly, check your Wi-Fi, mobile data. I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. Now I'm going to turn it off. Now tap on settings. After you tap on settings, tap on apps, tap on app management. Now tap on search. After you tap on search, now start typing LinkedIn. After you tap on LinkedIn, tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. After you tap on clear cache, and if still it doesn't work, what next you can do is search LinkedIn in your home screen, press and hold the LinkedIn icon and tap on install. After you tap on install, open the Google Play Store one more time. Open the Google Play Store. After you open your Google Play Store, tap on search, tap on LinkedIn and install the app. And next what you can do is, if your LinkedIn app is not updated, tap on update. If you still have any questions, comment down below.